Celine Perkins from Perkins Dry Goods. Today I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to stitch applique shapes to a background using a blanket stitch or a zigzag stitch. I like to make a sample stitch out and mark the stitch number, stitch width, and stitch length. I keep this for future reference. The things that I like to use are open toe embroidery foot, size 14 universal needle, 40 weight Aurifil thread on the top and bottom. I stabilize the background fabric and I start where two shapes intersect. Put the needle down, start slowly. If you can adjust the speed on your machine to about half speed, that's a good way to start. And then we want the stitch to go along the outside of the shape, and when it swings to the left, that's the blanket part of the stitch. When you get to a corner, I like to put the needle down, raise the presser foot, and pivot. Then just continue on around to the next corner. The next stitch is the zigzag stitch, and I use the same exact embroidery foot, same size needle, same size thread, stabilize that background fabric, and I start where two shapes intersect with the needle down. Then I start to stitch, and my goal is to have the zigzag straddle the edge of the applique shape. As you approach a corner, like with the blanket stitch, you want to drop the needle at the corner, raise a presser foot, and pivot, and continue on around to the next point, whether it's a corner, curve, the end. The zigzag stitch is a little bit more forgiving because there's not a specific swing to the needle. It's the same stitch all along. If you get off track a little bit, it won't show up very much. Thanks for watching. See you next time.